ngiyaphila mina.
Kanti album cover lana sokubaza Skipper.
Iphi yakhona?
Alright man, wait Skipper.
Usha.
Uyakwazi ngifuna ukubuza.
Hayi angikwazi.
Ku album cover lana umsizikhe wayigone bani? Like not the album cover, the song cover. Wayigone wena?
Hayi.
Wayigone ba?
Wayegona omunye. Hayi emtshela ukuthi kuyagodola.
Oh,
wayengitshela wami la wayetshela wakhe.
Okay.
Happy belated birthday to you. Turning years, if you don't mind telling us.
27.
27. No, that's good. Okay. So Somkomos, you'll be performing in SA soon. You've performed locally and internationally in events such as Makanda Festival, Kwamashu Cultural Exchange in Durban, So Creative Summit in Johannesburg, South Africa, US Embassy Showcase, guys, Gunengi British Council Culture Week, in Twasa Arts Festival, Bulawayo Arts Festival, crowned Best Female Poet in Bulawayo Royal Arts Awards in 2021, and also Outstanding Spoken Word Poet of the Year, Red Carpet Awards. Guys, Manenga Kulu. Welcome to Metro Drive on Skies Metro FM.
Session there. Yes. So first what I want to know is how was the energy in the studio when you're working on this song Yakotola Mrs. K?
Hesh yayi angwazi ngathi yayinjani. Yayingachazi yayingabhowi, but it was something new because as a praise poet sengena ku R&B mina senjalo kuba ngumsindo uyabona.
Okay.
Shayo ositholo umgapho sonkomo sobani and then sokumele ube soft then sesingena ku R&B so it was fun at the same time.
Yes. And also now when you're superstar, so how then does someone get hold of it? It's like so someone say ngicela ukuconvince mind yakho ukuthi usuke from being a poetess and then ubuye ku R&B. Ama superstars are still sensitive. So how do you go?
Lapho vele kanjinji. Angitshintshi angihlabeli mina, I'm a poet and that's my strength. So
okay.
Yeah. Angeke ngitshintshe.
Interesting.
Tell me the difference between e-poetry and, because I know ukuthi e-poetry lokuhlabela is both in arts industry, right? But I need to know the difference between e-poetry and singing. Because but it's delivered differently, and when you are delivering it, you're performing, you have a certain type of persona that you put up poetry, different type of persona to put up. What's the difference and how do you feel about the two?
Alright, I think konke kufuna umuntu ole strength in each category. When it comes to music, I feel like kumele ube kwazi ukulalela pitch, ube kwazi ukuthi key ingaphi. Ube le voice nje mnandi yokuhlabela ngithi. And then when it comes to poetry, you have to be able to engage the audience because you are there nguwe wedwa. Yes, usungafaka i-band, but when it comes to poetry okuqhakathekileyo kakhulu yi-message. Unlike in music yakwanisa ukuthi kube yi-guitar le-percussion kuphela, then we dance to that.
What kind of message do you want to put out when Mhlabeni as an individual? Like, I'm writing my songs, I'm writing my poetry. What's the message that you want to be known for?
A message of unity, message of love, message of uplifting abantu nje as a praise poet, because my job is to praise you. Whether but to praise when
Yes. And on a personally, how have you managed to go to when you utilize the social media in terms of pushing poetry? Especially yourself, your career.
Ngingathi mina ngiqale ukuba serious nge-social media I think early this year. Sengike ngafunda some of the stuff from Scripts and Bars ukuthi i-branding vele ayisozibuye nje uzidlalele endlini. You have to make sure ukuthi you put yourself out there, and I realized ukuthi as a praise poet abantu abaningi abadinga imboni, abantu abaningi those who follow imboni ngabantu abadala and abantu abadala abagcwele ku Facebook.
Yes. Okay. And what issues are you addressing mostly through your poetry? What issues do you address?
Societal issues. Anything to do with the society, anything esibonayo kuphileni wethu, that is mental health, gender-based violence, drugs. Konke nje esihlangana lakho ekuphileni wethu.
What's your favorite piece of art that you've done? I know kule poetry, kule ngoma ulo maluka, ukagisa, and leyakho we cry poem. Which one is the favorite piece of art that you've done?
It's War Cry.
Why?
All right. Uwocry, it was more of a collaborative project.
Okay.
Yaba labantu abaningi aba feature into that thing, and I feel like it's very powerful because of that. And it was my first ever released, recorded project. Yeah.
All right, so as idlaleni
Conscious generation is what we wish for. We, men and women, we have a huge task.
Wow, war cry. So Nkomoze, can I ask you, like, what does your image represent? The image yakuma ugqokile lapha on stage. Usibonisana usifundisana.
To embrace who we are, our culture. Ungananzelela isikhathi eziningi nyabe ngifaka amahulu. Abantu bathi amahulu yini kathi umsisi.
That's why ngizile because ngeke ngubone nxa uperforma like okay, but ugqokile my sister.
Yes. To embrace our identity, our culture. Noma singakumodernize sigqoka okunye, but
Yes.
I make sure ukuthi ngibale that one thing that represents us as abantu.
Okay, uyazenzela you buy those things.
Ngiyazenzela.
Oh, nice.
Lovely. Ikade ngikumelele ukuthi ngikuze. Someone sent a message. Hello Taboka, hello guys, Metro FM ngibingelele bonke abalaleli besabantu. Udade wethu Sonkomoze ngimfisela okumhlophe kodwa khula dadewethu akukhanye ukuthi izinkondlo
zihlonipheke kuyothatha eminyaka.
zihlonipheke
Ukubeka ukudla etafuleni ngazo kuyoba nzima. Kodwa siyozilandela imihla nemihla kuzomela sihaye sisuthise imphefumulo kuzamela sihaye ngoThaluso the poet. Okay.
Okay, so my last question is, what do you think is the importance of branding as an individual, management? Because I think sometimes artistry, sibe poets, sibe singers, sibe writers, what, but the financial part of our packages as brands, we don't really take them seriously. When an individual, you're in the process or you're already there. What do you think is important? The importance of you having in management, finance team yako, lokuba brand as an individual.
All right. Like I said, Uwocry is so far my best piece because of collaborations. Mina wakathi angila manager engathi sesasayinelana phansi sathini, but it is my wish ukuthi as a brand, because mina sengazithatha ngazitshela ukuthi uSonkomoze is a brand and ipoetry engiyenzayo ngumsebenzi. So I believe kumele kube lama elements wonke our business, kube le admin and everything. Ngike ngabona bits and pieces of that project le Uwocry because I had a project manager for that one.
Okay.
Kwakuthiwa nguKudakwashe Takundwa owe Culture Meg. So he was the project manager for Uwocry. I had a mentor specifically for that project, Uledi Chawe. I also had help from K Media, Scripts and Buzz. I also had someone owangincedisa ukuyibhala futhi ipoem yakhona. So if singama brand wedwa angeke ukugwanyise, because alone I wasn't going to be able to run around ngiyedinga ukudla kwecast, ngiyedinga videographer, ngiyedinga. So it's important to maybe create job opportunities.
No, keep shining.
I have one last question for you. Where have you had like the most challenge in terms of creating your craft and everything that you do? Which challenge over like what is it?
Yabona ngaphiwa itopic. Kuthiwe bhala nansi itopic. Hey, kuba nzima. Ngiyajema. For example, the biggest challenge was to do ama poetry interludes ku speech sika British Council Global Director. Itheme yakhona, it was a narrative on global ntontoni ya langa sayazi la khathesi, but yeah, I managed to pull through ngama collaborations foot because I had to approach ama writers athize ayikunje and they helped.
Oh, okay.
And there is the importance ke manje ukuthi because you can't do everything on your own. Even abanye abantu abahlabelayo, sometimes you can have a very good voice but ungakwanisa ukuhlanganisa amabala together, and it's important to reach out for help. So I applaud you for that. No, but thank you so much for coming through. It has been a pleasure. Kubalawa, your presence has just been a blessing. What are your last words for us?
Asiqineni. Ukukhala kusiza. Ngabe kubuza ukuthi unjani wathi ngiyaphila. Makuthiwa isimo sinjani ithi si right ngoba ukukhala kusiza.
Danko is thank you.
Danko siyabonga sonke meso for being on Drive Time siyabonga.
Siyabonga.
Umsakazo West Metro FM.